Hi everyone, today I'm introducing my latest gear I bought from Indiegogo for next summer's adventures. I'm not a big of a winter camper, so I'm not using it. Maybe, never say never, but I'm not using it for winter, so I'm making a test video of this later inside, but next summer I'm doing a real into the wild test video. So sorry, I'm not a native English speaker. If it's like if something phrases I tell, words I say is not accurate or sounds stupid, I'm sorry. But yes, let's go. Okay, so I bought this Flextail zero pump. It should be really small, and the box is really small. In the back side, it's pretty dark, the print, so it's not easy to read. Maybe I'm getting old or something, but it says that it's 33 grams, 1.2 ounces. What's important? Pressure, 2.5 kilopascals. Flow 180 liters per minute. Battery life 25 minutes. So, and there's also a picture, it should fill your mattress 15 to 20 times. So let's see what it's capable of later, but now I'm opening the box actually first time. Oh, it's that way. Okay, so it's a standard USB-C cable. It's good that everything I have starts to be in USB-C. So if I take this one short cable and a power bank with me, it's enough. And because I used to have like a lot of different cables. USB-C, the old USB, what's it called? The small one, the original. I had a headlamp that had this magnet charger, also my Garmin. So I had to take a lot of different cables, but now everything starts on my phone is USB-C. I have this adapter for Garmin that's only this small. I can use the same cable to charge my Garmin and my headlamp and this and everything. So it's good. Okay, it's pretty small. Actually, it's smaller than I thought. So it's wow. It's like the size of my thumb. It's actually really small. Now I'm pretty impressed, because I thought it's a little bit bigger, and yeah, it has a metal cover, but it's light. So I'm not on a table, so I leave this here. It has different nozzles. Okay, I have to see which one is for me. I have a thermarest, so there's a lot of different ones, so you can use it to pump, I think, anything on the market. I'm not a specialist because I haven't had a lot of like air mattresses. I have had 2 thermarests and that's it. Oh, I had a Sea to Summit, but I never had a pump for. I have used the bag, or at the end I fill it with my lungs, so I haven't had a pump. This is the first one, and it's a small one. I don't know how to get better than this, because I really like light gear and small gear, and that's my thing. Yes, so I put it here for a while, and there's also this lanyard you can use to. No, let's see if I put it on or not. There's also a manual. Yeah, it's in English and Chinese, and yeah, it's good. It's good, but it's small. Now I'm thinking, should I use glasses for like reading? I have the glasses for, I don't know how to say it in English, but I don't see really good far away. I used to see really good close, but I think I'm getting old, so. Oh my god, it's really small. Yeah, but maybe I have to go to good light or something, or maybe I really should get the glasses. And this printing here is like it's dark on dark, so it's not great. It's not great, but it's really stylish. That's it. That's what it is. So it has a lot of different nozzles you can use. You can use these together as an adapters. The pump. Let's try it. Let's see. Is there? Okay, so here's a small battery. It has a charger port in the battery. That's what I didn't saw the first time I checked this. It has a USB-C charger port here, so I don't know if that's a good one. Maybe it is because it's inside. It's there's no hole in the case, so it's not gonna get wet inside. As you can see, it's aluminium. It looks good quality. It's made in China, so but I think I have to see the manual to see how this works. Okay. Double click. Okay, it's not working. So maybe the battery is not charged. So next one. I charged the battery, and in the next video you can see I fill a Thermarest X Lite with this. Okay, bye.